Who is the mother? Shut up, I'm not the mother.
Look at you. Look at you. You cursed child.
Mother, please.
Cursed child. Will I use the wings to send you out of here for good? You just break flies everywhere, everywhere you sit. Everywhere you sit.
Hey! Look at her. Crying again.
Sense.
Every day you are crying. Looks like tears flow from this your eyes. Mama, maybe she should own a stream called Water of Sorrow.
Yes, let her cry until her voice breaks. That's how her stupid mother used cries to bring evil to this family. What do you think you are?
I did nothing wrong.
You did nothing wrong.
I was only trying to...
Trying to do what? Trying to do what?
Mama, beat her very well. I don't know what she did, but she deserves it. Beat her.
Lie again, and I will send you to your mother this night. You sweep like a cursed child that you always sweep curses into my house.
Look at
useless thing.
Fear. If fears could be captured, Asadima Calabash would be filled to the brim, crying like a rat beside fire.
Don't mind her. Try again. Ever lie to me in this house again?
I'm sorry. Have you seen what you've caused? You are allowing my mother shout because of you. Because of you. Dry your tears. Why are you crying? You cry yet nothing is happening. Maybe the gods are deaf. Yes now. Can't you see that the gods have turned deaf ears on you? Can't you see? You are cursed. Nonsense. If I... Mama!
That foolish child of a foolish woman. What do I do to get out of this? Very stupid. No sense.
Izuma, do you ever wonder what it feels like to live freely? Waking up in the morning without a title being striped to your neck like a chain.
My prince, that question is to be asked by the prince alone. The rest of us only wake up and thank the gods that we can breathe.
Exactly. Exactly my point. You wake up and breathe. I wake up and perform. They see a crown before they see a man. Even the wind whispers, Your Highness, before it brushes my face.
You have to be careful, my prince. I mean, be careful lest the gods think that you are ungrateful for your blessings.
What blessing? Having maidens fall at your feet like leaves during Harmattan season? Is that what you call blessing? I know they follow me not for love, but for the throne. I speak and they echo. I smile and they faint. Izuma, how do you trust a heart that has already sold itself to power?
You are not just a man, my prince. You are the heir to the throne. You were born to be desired.
Jonah, I long to be looked at in honesty, not with mouth already testing royalty. If you understand what I mean.
But you forget that true love cannot be bought in the market. Neither does it knock at the palace gates. My prince, if you truly desire true love, then you may have to walk the path without your crown.
Then so be it. So be it, Izuna. I am tired. I am tired of women trying to curve their ways to please me. I need to breathe, not as a prince, but as a man.
My prince.
If you understand what I mean.
My prince, an eagle cannot hide amongst chickens. I mean, your presence carries weight even in silence.
Then I will strip the weight. I will. I need a woman. I need love. Love that sees beyond beads, beyond names. I need a woman that will not change at the mention of my name.
If this is what you truly desire, then may the gods bless your path. But remember, my prince, those who tread the path of the heart do not return the same.
Then let me get lost. If finding the right one actually represents what you said, let me get lost.
Asadima.
Sorry, ma.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
How are you? Asadima, are you okay? I've been meaning to ask, where is Utonwa? I've not seen her for days. Is she well?
How dare you? Huh? How dare you speak to this cursed child? Have you been possessed by foolishness?
Utonwa, I didn't mean to offend you. I'm sorry. I was just asking her about you.
Hold it there. You have no right to speak to the one whose mother caused stiffness.
Utonwa,
it's even a shame to call her name. Listen, I'm going out. And make sure the food is ready before I return. Because even the gods will not tolerate disobedience from you.
Utonwa, stop.
Market days now, I've not seen you in my place. Or have you suddenly grown wings?
It's not that, Utonwa. My mother traveled to her maternal home. And my father has been sick. I've been the one taking care of him.
This your father again? Is he not better off dead? I mean, why is he just... Ha! Oh!
Utonwa,
what?
Are you wishing my father dead?
And if I do? Huh? Tell me, of what use is he to you now? I mean, he's weak, he's slow, he should just quietly join his ancestors.
Chimo.
Then dragging your life down.
Otonwa, my father will not die. Yes, he will not die. And I am not complaining. Even if he's weak, he is still my strength, Otonwa.
Really? You don't need to be mad. Relax, I didn't say anything wrong. Like they say, the truth is bitter, my friend. Don't worry. You will thank me later when you stop carrying dead weight. Wait for me! Huh? Mama. And you? What is it? Why is it in there? Have you your meat? Sit on the floor.
Didn't you hear her? Go down.
Otoka. Very sweet. So you can cook like this. What's Adima? Tell me. How does it feel not to taste the food that you prepared by yourself? Who caused you? Just like the land of the living is not favoring you. Maybe you should die.
A hen that cannot lay egg has no business sitting on the basket. You do get that? What use is a girl that brings only sorrows? Nothing! That's the only thing you bring here.
Who knows?
You think? Now listen, you know that even a toad is very careful and watchful when it wants to stretch, watching out for the snake. But look at you. You think you can hide from the wind behind the basket to fear. John wants you with a banana for.
Mama, who knows? If only her mother had closed her leg. If only her mother closed her leg and that foolish man did not enter her. Maybe this goat, this Ewu, will not be on the floor, eating corn like a goat that she is.
Now listen to me. You better swallow that pride that you're wearing like a royal bead. Eh? Did you hear me? Because all reggae, swallow that pride.
Mama, don't mind that.
Even flies fly away. They run away from rotting God. You're rotting. That's why everybody is scared of you, running away from you. I'm Pama.
Yeah, take. That's your portion. Eat it. Yes, now, after all, even dogs eat what falls from their master's table. So eat it.
Pick it and say thank you to her.
You see? That's why it's not good. It's not good to help people. It's not good to help them. Very ungrateful child. You are full of pride. Oh, you think silence is golden? Listen, even gold rusts in a cursed hands. Don't eat it though. Leave it there. I don't blame you. It's my good heart I blame. Because I gave you food to eat.
You are evil. Evil child pretending to be humble. Eat!
Greetings, mother.
Greetings, Susan.
What brings you to my chambers this morning?
Can't your mother visit her son without raising eyebrows? Truly, Ezenwata, the cock does not crow twice before dawn for nothing. You need to start planting your seeds and build your own household.
I understand, mother, but I am taking my time. I do not want to pick a flower today only to see it wither tomorrow. No.
Time waits for no man, not even a prince. Your mates are already fathers. Here you sit, surrounded by maidens like bees to honey. Yet, you act like a tree without shade.
But I want something real. Not eyes that follow the crown, but hearts that see the man beneath it.
Ezenwata, love will not cook soup for you. Neither will it bear you children. If you will not choose a wife soon, I will have to choose one for you.
Mother?
A mother's patience is not a river that flows forever.
Mother, what if I want to fetch from that river that flows only in truth? Think about it.
Yeah! Ụtọ nwa. Ụtọ dị na nwa. You know what? The sun rises in its beauty today, but it still cannot rival your presence. Ụtọ dị na nwa.
Azuma.
Yes.
Please. I am not ready for your video under the sun.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I startled you. You know, I've watched you from afar. And guess what? I, Azuna, I admire you a lot. If the gods permit, I would like to marry you for myself.
Hey! Utonwa, you have suffered. You marry me. You marry me. Even the god that licks the king's feet thinks he's worthy of the throne. Are you serious? You want to marry me? Hey!
Utonwa.
Eh?
My heart speaks in truth and not in position. And you know that sometimes love can make a king out of a common man.
Azuna, clean your mouth. Clean your mouth! Save your cheap words for those cheap maidens out there, not Arutomwa. Azuna, look at me now. I am meant for prominent men. Men whose name opens door. Not the one who opens gates.
Sorry. I'm sorry to stop you. I might be so much interested in you, but I cannot forget to remind you the fact that pride goes before a fall.
Then let me fall into wealth. Not in a low life like you.
Do not forget that even diamonds lies in the dust.
My prince, why is your face as dark as the night sky? I mean, what troubles you?
My mother. My mother came this morning demanding that I choose a maiden to marry. And she spoke with finality, as though my heart is a piece of yam that she can cut and serve.
So what do you intend to do? Because you cannot keep running away from the royal drums.
I will leave.
You will leave?
Yes.
Leave to where?
Anywhere the wind takes me. Where they do not know me by my name. Where I can breathe without the crown hanging over my head. I need to disguise myself. Maybe as a farmer. I mean, anything but this life of pretense. That is what I want.
Listen, let me paint you a picture, my prince. You want to live this life of affluence. You want to live the respect, the honor. You want to live this royal palace and go and live like a commoner.
Isn't what is royalty without peace? I need love. I need love that sees not the crown, but the man. Do you not understand? I just need to live here. I need to find a woman who would love me for who I am, not what I am. And that place I must go.
It's not going to be easy, my prince. I mean, you are used to wearing royal clothes. You cannot wear torn rags.
I'll wear rags. I wear rags. If that is what it takes to find peace, I will do it.
Then so be it. Anywhere the prince decides to go, I'll follow. If you choose to walk on fire, I will walk with you with my bare feet.
Izuna, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know, you are more than a brother, and I respect you a lot. Thank you again.
You're welcome, my prince.
Mama, I had a dream today.
Dream? Now speak. What did the spirits whisper?
Mama, in my dream, I married royalty. A prince, tall and powerful, Mama. He placed the crown on my head with his own hands.
My ears have heard good things today. I knew it. Your chi is wide awake. Good
Mama,
for nothing.
don't mind that. As I was saying, in my dream, the prince called me his wife, his queen, and the whole kingdom bowed before me.
Crown Princess Otonwa. I've always said it. You took after me. You're smart, clever, and bold. Right from the time you first came in my womb, I knew you will not join the crowd.
I've always said it. I do not belong to the dust. My feet belongs to the palace.
Crown Princess Otonwa. I knew it. The gods are not asleep. From the first day you kicked in my womb, I knew you were not going to join the crowd at all.
Mama, your mouth is as sweet as honey.
And as sweet as your future. Yes, your name will ring bell in the palace. You will for sure make me proud, my child.
Mama, don't mind them. Let them keep on talking. When the moon rises, they will know who owns the night.
And who owns the night but you, my
Of
child?
course. You can see that again, Mama.
Who owns the night but you? Asadima, who asked you to touch that water? Eh? Do you have elephant ears? I said finish reading first. Or you think this is a feast? Stubborn goat. Always looking for comfort in the middle of duty. Because you don't have sense like your mother. That's why you're crawling through life like a worm. Anumpama. Come on! No, Ruruba.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Come and drink. Na mmiri.
My prince, I've been thinking, if you truly want to disappear from all these things, then you should not go too far.
I do not want the queen and the guards trailing behind me like shadows. I need to go where I can breathe. I want to live like an ordinary man for once.
Then go to Mwenema. It's not too far from our kingdom. That way you can easily return to the palace when needed.
Umenuma. The kingdom, just by the low hills, right?
Exactly. It is quite peaceful and serene there. It's a place where no one cares what crown you wear, as long as you dress like one of them. Maybe a farmer or a palm wine tapper.
Izuna. You may have handed me my wings, you know. Yes. At least I will be able to see the world without titles blinding everyone.
Then it's settled. I mean, I will make arrangements. I will go ahead of you and look for a place so that by the time you are settled in, it will look as if you have been there for seasons.
You're right. A prince becomes a peasant. The leopard covers its mane just to learn the language of goats.
Yet, the leopard remains the leopard. Even in rags, your soul roars, my prince.
Listen, Izuna, I have just bought into your ideas. But I want you to do something for me. No one should hear about this. Not even the birds.
Come
Please.
on, my prince. You have my words. My lips will be sealed tighter than the tortoise's shell.
I see.
You have my word.
Thank you.
Asadima.
Rima.
What wind blew you all the way to Mama?
Ine sent me. She said Umoma's ogiri smells like home. Richer and stronger.
So she rather sent you to cross hills and rivers just for Ogiri. That's not errand, that's punishment.
Don't say that. Please. It is not even that far. You used to walk more than this just to see Utonwa.
That's witch. Please don't remind me. My spirit aches each time I think of her name.
Let's not talk about that. My heart is light whenever I see you.
Right. Let me walk with you.
Okay.
The sun is not friendly today. And the path is not kind either. So hope you got your day.
Yeah, I got you.
It's been one full moon, and Urima hasn't come to my hut. Did I go far with my words? Maybe I did. But what did I say that wasn't sitting in the lips of everyone's mouth? Our father is old and weak. Huh? Urima remains the only friend I have. I mean, others only flock around when they smell palm oil in the pot. But Urima, she's like my handmaid. I just need to move my finger and she will run. Oh, what do I do now? Should I go and see her? Climbing that mountain isn't easy. Oh. What if she turns me down? No. Urima is not like that. Her heart is as soft as a pounded yam. I will go and see her. If the mountain does not come to Utonwa, Utonwa will climb the mountain. Yes.
Where is this girl? Huh? I sent her to Umuoma, not the land of the spirits. How long does it take to buy ogiri? Ogiri kwa? Okay. She walks like a snail, dragging a calabash, the biggest one at that. When it comes to walk, her legs moves like somebody. I'll so deal with her. Okay, let her come back. I'm here waiting with my hands akimbo on my waist. If you like, follow the sun to sleep. A child who forgets time will come home to meet a mother with a cane. 2 canes at that. Check it, brother. I'm here waiting. Allah. It's in a tea. Okay. Drop that calabash and tell me where you're crawling out from, like a lizard bitten by rain. Who is your name? Drop that thing! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Where are you coming from?
I came straight from Umoma. I did not go anywhere.
Huh?
I swear it on my head.
On your head? Which head? Eh? You swear it on which head? Eh? You think I was born yesterday? You left when the sun was just yawning, and you're coming back when the moon is already brushing the sky.
I did not go anywhere. The woman delayed me. She brought the...
Shut up! Eh? Look at how lies flow from your mouth. Eh? Just like water from the trees. Eh? Tell me, who were you smiling at this time? Which man did you follow his shadow? And to where?
I did not talk. Please, I did not go anywhere. Please, I did not do anything. Please, I did not do anything. Please, I did not do anything. Please, believe me. Please, I did not do anything.
Rubbish. You, not under my eyes and my watch and under my roof will that happen again. How your mother messed up everything. That's how she brought shame to this compound. And listen, not under my watch will you end up the same.
Please! 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 I did not go anywhere! Please!
This compound? We'll see.
Hey! Look at her. The runaway goat has finally returned. You are here. Come on, come. The runaway goat has finally returned. I heard you went to Umuoma today. Did you see Rima?
No, I did not see her.
Why will you see her? Do you have eyes? Your eyes only open when you see men. Who knows? Maybe next time you look for a son of a farmer to chase. My stepsister tell me. Hey, are you cursed? You don't even need to answer me because you are cursed. Tell me why you open your leg first before opening your mouth. Looks like you and that your late wretched mother shares the same cup. Stop crying, oh. All these your crocodile tears will not do anything for you. Your tears cannot wash away your shame. Even the rain cannot cleanse what is already cursed. You are cursed. You are a cursed child. Nonsense.
Stop, please. I did nothing wrong. I only went to buy ogiri. I did nothing wrong.
You have the mouth to talk.
No.
Are you talking?
No, I'm
Are you
not
talking?
talking.
Are you talking? Are you talking?
Gods of our land, guidance of truth. I speak with the heart of man, not the pride of a prince. Let my feet be guided by your wisdom. Lead me to that one whose soul was created to fit mine. I know she walks this earth, the one whose love is not drawn by my crown, but by the man who wears it. Let her eyes find me. Let her soul recognize me. May our hearts speak even before our mouth do. If she is closer, let me find her. If she is far, please lead me to her. Let something shift. Let destiny stir, even before the rising of dawn.
I'm tired though. Hey! I am tired. Eh? What sort of madness is all of this? Eh? So I came all this distance. All because of Urima. Hey, if nothing good comes out from this visit, I will make sure I deal with her. I mean, no one stresses Utonwa and goes scot-free. Never. Even though she's my friend. No. Huh? So, after walking this distance, she will not forgive me. She will not even try it. In fact, being friends with me is a privilege to her. A big privilege. Space is foul. Look at me walking barefoot. Hold me. Hold me. Ha! Oh, we'll never try this thing again. No. I just pray something good comes out from this visit. If not, if not, I will make sure I will make sure I deal with her. Even though she's my friend, I don't care. I don't care. Space is far now. Very, very far. I've been walking and walking. I can't even feel my legs anymore. I've been walking. Yeah. Hey. And with the look of things, I've not even started. It's still far. Very far. I can see it from there. Hey! Who sent me? I have to finish what I have started. Hey! This place is far. See my leg. We're walking. Me.
See how the plants bloom in their time. Yet my son, the crowned prince of Umoma Kingdom, drags his feet as though time waits for him.
Your Majesty, the prince is wise. Perhaps he seeks a maiden of true love.
For how long will he seek Akwoma? Must the moon grow grey before he makes his choice? Every new dawn, maidens flock the palace like bees to honey. Yet, he finds fault in all of them. I fear he's chasing shadows when the throne needs substance.
Maybe he searches for more than beauty and the name.
The prince is not a hunter of dreams. He's a prince, a soon-to-be king. I will not sit and watch him waste seasons chasing a feeling. If he does not choose a wife soon, I will have to choose one for him. A mother's patience is deep, but not bottomless.
No. I am tired. Hey, I can't even feel my legs anymore. I have been walking. Why did I agree to this madness? Why did I agree to come over to this place? See the way I'm walking like an ordinary maid. Hey. So, this is what Orima used to suffer just to come and see me. Ha! I will not do this madness again. Oh. This is the last and the last of it. I will not do it again. Hey. Eh? Me. Utonwa. Walking like this. Wait though. Is that not the queen? Yes. That should be her. Let me package myself very well. Let me package myself. Hey. Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Greetings. Come, child.
Your Majesty.
What is your name?
My name is Utonwa, Your Majesty.
Tong. Are you from this kingdom?
No, Your Majesty. I am from Umuenuma, but my mother is from this kingdom.
Is that so?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to see my cousin. She's from this kingdom. I just came to see my mother's place.
Oh, really?
I came to see my cousin, Orima. I'm here to visit my mother's place.
Oh, very well then. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Majesty.
There is fire in that one's eyes.
Isn't that, my prince? If anyone told me I would walk freely without a crown on my head, I would not believe it.
You know, sometimes freedom lies in simple clothes, my prince. Or should I say, Arinze?
You can call me anything. Anything that suits the moment. I am no prince. I am only a man searching for his destiny.
Very well then. I found you a hut just beyond the old palm grove. It is very quiet and serene. No one will suspect a thing.
Izuna, you are more than a brother. In fact, you are my pillar. You have been a perfect friend and a brother. You have been my advisor. Even when I take foolish risks, you always follow without asking questions.
I ask questions. I do ask questions. Man, auntie are the raw. Auntie are the raw. But of course, I believe in you. I believe strongly in you because I know that you are not just chasing love. You are chasing purpose. And any day the gods lead you to a maiden that makes your heart beat different. Trust me, my prince. I will walk with you.
I want to tell you something. Anything that comes out of this, this story will not be told without you. Thank you very much.
I am always with you, brotherly.
Thank you. So, can we go and see the hut?
Of course.
Urima. 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 Urima.
Otonwa, what are you doing here?
So you remember my name? It's been one full moon and you've not come to my hut to see me.
I was busy. I've been very busy. And I even asked after you yesterday from your sister Asadimma.
You saw Sadima yesterday. But she said she didn't see you.
No, yes. No, I mean, no. It was as if she was in a hurry.
But you said just now that you asked after me from her.
No. Otonwa, she was in a hurry, so I said it in my mind. Yes.
Okay, it's fine. I believe you. So, give me something. I'm hungry. That heel almost killed me. Oh.
Okay.
You know your friend deserves more than just words.
Yes, of course. Let me get you food.
Okay.
Wait for me.
All right.
Hi. Ulimma. Eh? Why did I even mention Asadimma? What if Otonwa goes back and stirs trouble? Hey. Chimo. Eh? What am I going to do now? Let me not be the reason why this poor girl get beaten again. I didn't mean to. Hi. Let me go and get this one something before she start commanding me as if I'm her maid.
My friends, this life you want to start living, are you sure you can manage it? You have never held even a broom by yourself. You have never lifted a cup or really done anything by yourself. Are you sure you can manage this life? Look at the environment, I mean.
Isn't that this is the freedom I longed for? I like it. At least there will be no maid giggling around me or someone kneeling just because I breathe. Just silence and freedom. That is all I ever wanted.
I understand. But at least, my prince, what about food? Can we at least look for a discreet maiden who can at least come here and always cook for you? Someone who will not ask questions.
No. It will raise suspicion, you know that. And do not forget, a poor man cannot afford a maid. I'm fine like this. I'm okay. I just like the environment.
You are brave, my prince. But I must warn you, it will not be easy.
Life itself is not easy. I am prepared for this. Do not worry yourself. I'll be fine. Believe me.
Please, can I go inside? Of course.
How dare you? How dare you lie to me? Do you think I'm a fool? Huh?
Please, I did not mean to lie. I did not mean.
Shut your mouth up! You told me you did not see her yesterday. But she said you passed by her. So tell me, who is the liar here?
I was in a hurry.
Shut up! How dare you? So you're still lying to me? Me, Utomwa? Huh?
Please. I did not mean any harm. I was only trying to avoid trouble.
Keep on blabbing your mouth. Huh? I will make sure I deal with you for disrespecting me.
Please, I did not. Do anything.
I believe I have found the one, the maiden worthy of my son. There is something about her. Grace, pride, presence. She reminds me of myself when I was at her age. Bold, yet enchanting.
Greetings.
Greetings, Akpoma.
You called for me, my queen.
Yes, I sent for you. You remember the maiden Utonwa talked about? Urima.
Yes.
Send one of the maids to find her and tell her to see me today.
I'll go at once, my queen.
Greetings. You must be Urema, Utonwa's cousin.
Otonwa. Well, yes. Yes, she's my friend and my cousin. Hope no problem.
No problem at all. Her Majesty, Queen Oledo, wishes to speak with you. She would love to know more about Utonwa.
Otonwa. The queen? How does she even know the queen? Otonwa. Otonwa should not put me in trouble. Eh?
Please come with me. The queen will be waiting.
Okay.
You've been smiling like someone that swallowed honey.
Mama,
Hmm?
you will not believe who I met on my way.
Who?
I met the queen of Umuoma herself. She stopped me and asked for my name. She even asked where I was going to. She said I reminded her of somebody. I think she likes me.
The queen of Umoma. Yay! Inokwa. Are you serious?
Ma, yes, sir. I thought I was going to Urima's place. Mama, my dreams are beginning to come to pass.
Otongwa. You know you've always said that you're born for royalty. I think the gods are answering.
I told you. Since our crown prince is already married, Umoma's prince will not be a bad idea. Yota. Hey! Royalty is royalty. And you, my mother, will become the princess's mother. The mother of the princess of Umoma.
Otongwa, my daughter. You know, you've always dreamed big. I just pray it all works out. Honestly, I pray. Hey!
Mama,
And I
it
will
will
be
work out.
Ekoma, the queen mother. Hey!
You can say that again.
Inokwa.
Mama, it will work out. It is going to work out.
She always
Umoma.
talked to you and talked to you.
Mama, yes, so. And I'm so happy that Umoma is about to have a new princess.
And that's you. Hey!
That young maiden is beautiful.
Yes, she is. But please, this is not the time, my prince. Let's go. My prince.
Oh, isn't that? Did you not see what I saw? There is something about that maiden. She looks very innocent.
Yes, she does, but this is not the time. Please.
Okay, if you say so. Izuna,
My prince.
why did you hold me back today?
That is because that girl looked like someone who needed space and not pity. I mean, from the looks on her face, you could tell that she was hurting. Probably an orphan. So approaching her like that will make her remember things she doesn't want to.
How do you know of this?
My instincts, my prince. My instincts never fail me.
Maybe you're right. There is something about her, something familiar in her sorrow. Like I said, maybe you are right. Isn't that? I need you to return to the palace. Find out what is going on because I have a feeling my mother is up to something.
Very well, my prince. I shall return by dawn.
Isn't that what is with this? My brains, why?
Respect, my prince. Respect. Even when you are looking like a yam farmer, I'll still respect you.
To the palace, Izuna.
Let me change my clothes.
To the palace, Izuna.
Let me go in and change.
Neka, Neka,
Yes, Your Majesty.
you may leave us.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Who is Utonwa to you?
My queen, she's my friend and she's my cousin, my queen.
Oh, she's a cousin?
Yes, we grew up together. Her mother is my late auntie's sister.
She spoke highly of you. You see, Utonwa has this boldness that most maidens don't have these days.
Thank you, my queen.
I would love to see Utonwa. Tell her I want to speak with her personally.
My queen, you want to see her?
Yes. Tell her to come to the palace tomorrow.
Yes, my queen, I will tell her right away.
Good. You may go.
Thank you, my queen.
Greetings, nobleman of Umuema.
Greetings, beautiful one. I see you carry the pot with such grace. I do not wish to waste your time, please. I know we're not royalties, but may I have the royal honor to know what you are called.
Asadima.
Asadema. Beautiful name. It suits you. My name is Arinze.
Thank you, Arinze. Please let me be on my way before my stepmother starts shouting.
Oh, sorry. Will I ever see you again?
The road knows all our feet. If our paths are meant to cross again, they will.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. You are beautiful. Asadema. And I like your name. I just love her name. Okay.
Akoma, how are you?
I'm fine.
That maiden that just left, who is she?
Oh, her name is Orema. The queen invited her because of her supposed cousin who came from Umwenuma kingdom.
Her cousin? Why? I mean, what does the queen want with her cousin?
Well, I'm not sure, but the queen believes that she's suitable for Prince Ezewata. She said she reminds her of herself in her youthful days.
And the prince knows nothing of this?
That reminds me, speaking of the prince, I haven't seen him for a very long time. Is he okay?
Well, he has not left his chamber since the last affray. He doesn't want to be disturbed. He only asked me to bring food for him. But Akoma, are you sure the prince will like this sudden matchmaking?
Maybe not, but the queen is his mother and she believes she's doing what's best.
Okay. So this maiden from Umwenuma is at the center of it all now. We'll see.
Asadema. Asadema. She's so beautiful and graceful. Though very young. But there is something about her. So pure and different. Since I met her, my heart has not been still. It beats like the drums of New Yam Festival. I think I have found her. Not just any maiden, but the one for me. Asadema. I'd like to see her again. I want to see Asadema again. She's the one for me. Of course she knows.
Utonwa. Utonwa. Who's there?
Hey! Finally. The mighty one has finally visited me today.
Utonwa, I always visit you.
That is a lie. What brought you to my place?
How did you know the Queen of Umoma?
The Queen? Did she ask you?
Yes. She wants to see you. She said I should bring you to the palace.
Hey! 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 A royal invitation. Hey! Wait, she invited me to the palace. Hey! I'm so happy. Oh. What happened?
Otonwa, why did you lie that you are my cousin?
What is there not to lie about? Listen, I didn't want to look like a stranger. I only give her small lie. Told her that Umoma is my maternal home. Hey?
And what if she finds out?
And who will tell her?
You?
Huh? Tell me.
Well, she said she wants to see you in the palace tomorrow, that she'll bring you.
Hey! My dreams are finally coming to pass. Tomorrow, I will dress like the upcoming princess that I am. And I will walk and meet the queen. Hey! Hey! I cannot wait to tell my mother this. So don't worry. Once I finally become the princess, you're going to be my chief maiden. Won't you like it?
Yes, I will like it.
You like it, Abby? Come and sit down. What do you want to eat?
Asadima.
What do you want?
Wait. Asadima, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to tell Otonwa that I saw you yesterday. It just slipped out.
But you were the one who told me not to tell her. Why did you say it?
I'm sorry. I was not thinking. I panicked. I didn't mean to cause you pain.
You panicked? Now she thinks I'm a liar. She slapped me, Urima. She slapped me. And she does not even want to know why I kept quiet.
I'm sorry.
Please. I don't want any other problems. Just leave me alone.
Asadima. Asadima, I'm sorry.
Mama. Hey! Mama, I told you that something big is about to happen very soon. The Queen of Mama asked Urima to bring me to the palace. Hi, Mama. A royal invitation. Hey, and I heard your palace is very, very beautiful. Hey, I mean, this is looking like a royal marriage to me. Since our own prince is married, the prince of Umoma will not be a bad idea. It will not be a bad option.
Yeah. Ah, my daughter, your feet were not meant to be washed in the mud. You are born to be great. For greatness, that's what you're born. I've always said it, that royalty suits your spirit. And, hey, oh, may the gods of our land clear the pathway for you. That's my prayer.
And you? What are you staring at? Huh? We are talking about royalty, wealth, and destiny, not smoke and sweat.
Otongwa is right. There is a clear difference between a chosen one and a servant, a mere servant at that. Now listen, let this be the last you will disrespect us when we're talking with your stares. Continue with what you're saying.
Mama. Mama.
Hey, a dream come true it will be. My daughter, the queen of the land.
Greetings.
Look at this. No life. Look at this. The stink. Are you okay? What is it? What do you want?
I like your boldness.
Hmm?
Yes, you are beautiful, mm, natural, endowed,
Mm-hmm.
and your face, like very smooth. Everything about you speaks beauty, and I.
How dare you? Are you mad? Hey! Do I look like Asadema?
No,
Do I? Wait, no. Look at me now. Look at me. Am I your mate? Listen, if you see me walking on the road next time, make sure you clear. Because when my time comes, I will ask for your head. You are mad, though.
I just want to be your friend, please.
Be my friend. Don't worry. You can never be my friend. Instead, I will employ you to work as a bodyguard in the palace.
Oh.
Yes! Nonsense. Look at you. Hey! Me. Do you know who I am?
Your princess?
Princess Ke. Me. That the prince is going to get married to.
Oh.
Yes, now! I'm going to get married to the prince soon. Not to this cheap, ugly hunter. Village boy.
I am a farmer, actually, not a hunter.
Farmer. Suit you. All of them.
Okay.
Nonsense.
I am sorry.
You carry yourself with grace, Utonwa. I must confess. You remind me so much of myself when I was your age.
My queen, you honor me. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've been thinking and I've been watching. There is nothing more I want for my son, Prince Ezewata, than a woman of beauty, strength, and pride by his side. Someone like you.
My queen, thank you so much. I mean, I like that. After all, I'm not betrothed to anyone. It will be a blessing beyond.
Oh, good. It is settled then. You shall move into the palace.
Hey.
Learn the ways of royalty. Get accustomed to the life that awaits a queen. And then, bond with the prince.
My queen, thank you so much. May the gods bless you. I'm grateful.
It's fine. You're family now. So, join me. Eat.
Thank you.
Eat. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Eat.
Mm. Mm.
The food tastes better when it comes from the palace, does it not?
But it does not beat your cooking.
But at least the palace food reminds you of who you are.
Looks like you have something to say. What is it?
So far, no one has been able to figure out that you are not in the palace. Akwoma has been helping with the food and keeping things low. But there is more.
What more?
Your mother. She has found you a maiden.
What?
Akwoma said she found you a suiting maiden from Umuenema.
Where and how did she find her?
She said the maiden was on her way to her mother's place. So apparently her mother is from Umuoma. And that was how the queen picked interest in her.
I do not understand. How could my mother do something like that? How could she choose someone for me without my consent? I am not going to marry anyone chosen for me by someone. Especially one who I have not spoken to. I don't even know her. Does that make sense?
It does not make sense, my prince. But we still have time. Nothing has been officially announced.
In fact, I've lost appetite. Take the food away. Take it away, please.
Urima, I'm glad I met you on the way. At least climbing that tree wasn't that hill wasn't a waste of time. Hey, if not. Hey! So me, I will so be the princess. Oh! I will start living in the royal palace very soon. Hey!
What if the prince doesn't like you?
And what am I using his likeness to do? What I'm after is wealth and royalty. Power. He can keep his heart to himself. I don't care.
Don't. But what?
Don't worry about yourself. I will make you my chief maiden. After all, you're already serving me. Or haven't you? Huh? I can imagine the look on everyone's faces. When I walk with my beautiful wrappers, shining arm, and fine beads on my waist. Huh? With you, standing beside me, holding my fan. Ah! Oh! Don't worry. Eh? Don't worry, oh. I only need to learn how to speak soft, learn how to carry myself as the upcoming queen that I am. My presence will command the air.
I only pray that your presence will not also command the wrath of the prince.
Relax. This will not happen. Don't worry. I have everything already sorted out. Hell, I'll be walking like this. Walking like this. Walking like this. People will bow before me. I'll be walking, waving my hand. Oh! You can't say that again. Your future queen.
Akoma,
My queen.
go and call your cousin, Prince Ezenwata. Tell him I want to see him.
My queen. Prince Ezewata have not stepped out of his hut in days. He only allows Izuna to bring food for him.
What?
Yes, my queen. I thought he was simply resting. Izuna said he doesn't want to be disturbed.
And no one thought it wise to inform me? My own son locking himself away in this palace. And you say nothing? Come. Let's go and see what has stolen his senses. Let's go and see what has stolen his senses. Ezenwata. Ezenwata. Come out, I want to see you. Ezenwata. Ezenwata, don't keep your mother waiting. Ezenwata. Ezenwata. Akwoma. I thought you said he was resting.
That is what Izuna told me. I even had any food myself this morning. Perhaps he went strolling to clear his head.
My son vanishes and all you're saying are guesses? Now you listen to me. Tell him to see me as soon as he returns. Am I understood?
Yes, my queen. Izuna, you better don't put me in trouble.
The gods have smiled on me. Eh? A child of beauty and destiny.
Mama, you're looking at the next crowned princess of Umoma. A kingdom twice the size of Umuenuma. It's better, bigger, and greater.
My daughter will wear the royal beads. And they will know that a lioness was born from my heart. Chimo.
Mama.
Mama. Oh, child of favor. Child of destiny. Mama.
Mama, listen. Let the other maidens carry baskets, firewoods, water. But you, Tonwa, I walk in destiny.
Yes. Walk.
The future princess of Umoma.
Yes.
It's not easy, Mama.
Who says it is?
It's not easy, Mama.
It's not.
Mama, it's not easy. It's not easy. Mama, it's not easy.
Oh, wow.
Mama.
The queen mother to be. The queen mother to be. Walk. Walk, my dear.
I'm walking. I'm walking.
Destiny. The gods of our land. A great lioness you are. They will know that.
Honestly, I really don't know how to explain this feeling. Ever since I met you, my heart has not rested. Yes. Asadema, I really want to groom you. I want to groom you to be the queen of my heart. I know you are still young, but I really want, I wouldn't mind.
If you truly like me and you want to marry me, then come with your people to ask for my hand in marriage.
You want to marry me? You're very sure? Do not forget that I have nothing to my name.
You are not disabled, are you? Neither am I. We can work together and build things with our hands. What matters is peace, not war.
I knew it. I knew you were different. I bless the very day I found you. Thank you so much, Asadema. No matter how long it takes, I am ready to wait. So, I want us to go. Yes, I am not going to promise you beautiful beats and costly wrappers, but I am promising you happiness.
That's enough, Arinze. Love is enough.
Yes, I will make sure I put a smile on your face. I will restore your happiness.
Okay?
Asadima. Eh? So this is where you are?
Tonwa, please. It is not what you think.
Are you not ashamed of yourself, you cursed child? Eh? Pity for yourself now. Why are you so useless? Look at who you want to settle for. A low life and a low life. Perfect match. Dreaming of what can never happen. Yes!
Will you shut up? Do not speak to her like that.
How dare you tell me to shut up? Have you lost it? I don't blame you. Can you see? Eh? Your former friend is now asking me to shut up. Eh? Are you serious? Leave here now.
Leave where?
Asadima, leave here now.
Why? Why?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? What is wrong with you?
What is your problem?
Shut your dirty mouth up! You stink! Before I count 5, you will carry your 2 dirty self and leave here now. Straight to the house.
She is going nowhere.
1.
She is going nowhere!
2. Hey! Leave your thing! Get out! Look at you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You. Stay away from her. Stay away from her. You have nothing to offer. Stay away from her. Pwah! Time that you will use to do something useful to yourself. You are using it to chase small girls around. Eh? By the time I finally get married to the prince and I become the princess, I will ask for your head. Nonsense.
If only wishes were horses. My prince, we need to leave now. Your mother is looking for you. Akoma barely covered up for you.
My prince?
And not him. I meant the prince of Umoma. Yes, the prince of... We were supposed to go to the palace and deliver a message. Yes.
Oh, yes. Asadima. The prince needs more guards. I just got a job there.
You got a job there? Does that mean you are leaving? I won't see you again.
Of course you will see me again. Once everything is settled, I'll return to you. I'm serious. Okay? I need this job. You are my woman. You are the one for me. You are going to be my wife. And the gods know it.
We need to leave now. The palace does not wait.
Oh, yes. Yes. And the job, I need it. I need it.
You can't...
I just have to do this, okay? I need the job. I need it. It's for you and I. Please, just go. I will see you once I come back.
But...
Please go, right?
Zuma. I heard you locked yourself away for days, refusing to speak to anyone. Is that how a prince should behave?
I needed to clear my head.
Have you cleared it now?
Very well.
Anyway, while you were brooding, I made progress. I have chosen a bride for you.
What?
She's beautiful. She's talented. She comes from a very strong lineage. She's moving in, so you both can bond.
Mother, what are you talking about? I should find my bride myself, not the other way around.
By locking yourself up in your room? Is that how you want to find her? Isn't water? She is moving in, and that is final.
What is my mother talking about?
Mama, deal with her! Mama, get with her.
Mama, so after all I did,
Yes.
after all I did,
Mama,
after all I did for you,
please, I did not
after
do
all I did for
anything,
you,
Mama.
that's how you choose to repay me.
Mama,
Is that
guess
it?
what? Mama, I'm not done telling you. Mama, I saw her. I saw her clinging on him like a cheap rappers. Guess what, Mama? She's pregnant. Do you know?
Pray.
She's pregnant.
Mama is a lie. Mama is a lie.
Oh,
Mama, I'm
you
not
shamed
pregnant.
me. You brought shame.
I'm pregnant, Mama. I'm not pregnant.
Mama.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. I'm not pregnant.
Hey!
Mama, let her keep on waiting.
Oh, is that how cheap you are?
Very cheap.
You ended up like your mother. Is that it? You just ended up.
Mama, please.
Mama, let
Mama,
her
please.
wait.
I'm not pregnant.
You want to become a wife, right? You want, Mama? Let her taste what marriage feels like. Flag her.
Pregnant. You're pregnant.
I'm not pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. I'm not pregnant.
Hey!
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What will the neighbors say?
It's okay.
Look at our neighbors.
Mama,
This village.
she's cursed now. What do you expect from her?
Hey.
Go inside. Let me take over from here. Go inside. Go inside. Let me take over from here. Mama, go inside. Ifurugi, go inside. You have the mind. You have the mind. Hey! Listen. This is just the beginning, eh? Listen. You will be here suffering while I will be in the palace lavishing. Don't blame it on me, oh. Don't hate me. Blame it on your cursed self. You are cursed. 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 You are cursed.
I did not do anything.
You are cursed.
Izuna,
My prince.
I want us to visit Umenuma. I want to see Asadema.
What if the queen finds out?
She will not find out.
You know she still keeps an eye on you.
Of course, you know I am still angry with her. She will not even bother looking for me.
It's still risky, my prince. What if someone sees you
Izuna,
outside?
I can't sit here while Asadema suffers. Please, I need to see her.
Very well then.
Did you not get the job again?
I did. I just came to pick a few things and to see you.
I missed you so much. Everything feels heavier when you are not here.
I understand. Because of your stepmother, right? I need you to be patient. Be patient a little longer. I will come take you out of that house. I will come very soon. All right?
Do they have fish in the kitchen? I think I'll prefer fish. Oh!
Your Majesty.
My dear Otongwa.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. You're welcome to the palace of Umoma Kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You carry yourself like royalty already. Your stay here will be rewarded.
Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty. I'm grateful. I promise you, I will do my best to live up to your expectation.
Good. You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Just feel at home. You're under my protection now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Neka,
Yes, Your Majesty.
show her to her chambers.
Your Majesty, you're enjoying, I'm so sorry if you don't mind. Let me just go with this.
It's fine.
Okay. Hey. Eh?
Isn't she beautiful?
Very, my queen.
Utanwa,
My queen.
I like your boldness.
Thank you, my queen.
You.
Greetings, mother.
My
Oh,
prince.
see who has decided to join us.
My prince. Greetings, your royal majesty.
Greetings. This is the maiden I want to introduce to you, Utonwa.
I see. Um, I am sorry, mother. I need some air. Excuse me.
It's okay.
Your majesty. Have I done anything wrong?
Do not worry. I think he's just overwhelmed.
Oh, by my beauty, right?
Probably. Sit.
Johan! 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 Johan!
Please.
Please, we are sorry! You are stupid! You are mad! Do I need to repeat myself 100 times?
Sorry, please.
How many times do I need to repeat myself? If you must walk in this palace, you must learn how to carry yourself. Eh? Am I your mate? No. Eh? I will make sure I deal with your hand. Your hand. Your hand. Your hand.
We are sorry, please. We are sorry, please.
Nonsense! You are stupid, oh! You are very stupid. I will deal with your hand.
What's going on here?
Run! Go, leave! Now! Leave! 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 My prince. I'm sorry about that. I was only trying
You
to.
do not have to act for me. I see the arrogance behind that smile. Listen, Otonwa. I cannot marry a maiden who treats others like that. So do yourself a favor by not pretending to me. Do you understand?
My king.
Mother, here you are. I went to your chambers.
I decided to come relax here.
I see. Mother, I want to talk to you. And it's about Otonwa.
Okay, go ahead.
I cannot marry that maiden. I have tried to overlook things. It is not working. That maiden is full of herself. She's arrogant. She treats people like they are beneath her.
Arrogant?
Yes.
That is a strong word to use. I understand you don't have affections for her. Feelings are not forced. But calling her arrogant, that is unfair. She carries herself with grace. She has the presence of royalty. She fits the throne beside you.
Mother, this is not about how she talks or walks. A true queen should be compassionate, but she does not possess that quality. She does not. I cannot marry her, please.
You speak with emotions, Izenwata. But you may be misunderstanding her.
I am not misunderstanding anything. I know what I'm saying, and I'm sure of it. Meanwhile, I have found someone I truly care about, and I want to marry her.
You've what?
Yes. I care about her mother, and she's the one I want to marry.
Are you sure she will be here?
Of course she will. Let's... Oh, here she comes.
You really came back for me.
I told you. I told you I'll come back. I actually came because the palace needs a maid. So I told them about you. They have asked me to bring you. So I want us to work hard so we will be able to better our lives.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
We will live in the palace together.
Of course we will.
This is good news.
Sure, EJ love.
Eh,
You know, the gods have their ways of guiding hearts.
yes. And I believe so much in their timing.
Asadima,
This is the perfect time.
Asadima, how are you?
As you can see, we have 2 new faces in our midst. This is Asadimma. She's the new palace maiden. She has been assigned by the queen, so treat her with respect and care. And this is Obuakwa. She was sent here by the queen to serve punishment. She's going to join you guys in your duties until her time is up.
What kind of punishment brought her in? She looks like a witch.
Who knows? Maybe she crossed with the gods.
Wonder, but she's smelling. I can't stand it.
Enough whispering. Nneka, Ngozi, take them to their quarters and put them to work.
She smells.
Please come with us.
Arinze, why are you dressed like this?
How do I? I was going to.
Greetings, my prince.
My prince? Arinze, I don't understand. Who are you?
I am Arinze, the one you know. Oh, okay. Let me explain. The real prince is the one that is down with a strange illness. So the elders asked me to act in his place to avoid rumors and panic till he recovers.
A disease?
A rare one, contagious too. So that is why he's locked in. And they said no one should hear about this. Please, I do not want you to tell anyone, not even other maidens. Right? I have really missed you. Every moment here feels very long without you.
I missed you too. But I don't...
Do not say anything. I am doing this for us. They even said they will pay me. So, when they give me the calories, you and I will share it. Okay? Smile.
Be fast, be fast. Add energy to it, please. Yes, yes, there. Down, 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 down. Yes, very good. Very good.
Greetings, my princess in waiting.
What is it? What do you want again? What is it?
My princess, it's the new maid. I think she's trying to seduce the prince.
What did you just say?
My princess, I saw them. They are very close. I think she's trying to seduce the prince.
What? New maid? And who is she?
My princess, she's soft-spoken, she's flexible, she's beautiful.
Shut up! Take me to her at once. Now!
Okay, my princess. Come with me.
Asadima, what are you doing here?
I got a job here.
You got a job here to work as a maid? Eh? Out of everywhere to get a job is this palace, where I am. You brought your bad luck here. Eh?
Dora, please, I did not do anything.
You snake! Let me be! Can't you let me be? Enough, child! Enough! You ugly old witch. Huh? How dare you stand before me to talk rubbish?
Dora, please.
You old witch. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you? Nonsense. Fool. You think it is the end? People like you are not meant to be seen around this palace. By the time I'm done with both of you, you will carry your too smelly self and leave this palace.
Don't please. Please, I beg you. Do whatever you want to me. Beat me, insult me, but please do not touch her. She's all the...
How dare you? Huh? You have the mouth to still talk to me? Asadima, you are still talking, right? It's not over. I'm just starting. I will deal with you. Nonsense.
No, please. Can you imagine this princess? I don't like her. She's so wicked, arrogant, and she beat her elderly ones. Can you believe the other day I saw her beating that old woman they brought into the palace? She's so wicked.
What baffles me is the way she carries herself like one high and mighty.
She's not even the princess yet, and she's parading herself everywhere. Ha! If she becomes the princess, we will not even drink water in this palace.
She's so wicked. I hate her.
Everywhere. Silence. Maltreating everybody. Please, let me go back to my duty post. Before she come and meet us here, you know how she behaves.
You're right, though. Let's go.
Nene. Please, bring it. Let me help you go to the stream.
No, my child. It is my punishment. I must do it.
No.
I must
Ine,
do it.
No, Ine. I can't let you go to the stream while I stay here doing nothing. It is an abomination for a young maiden like me to watch an elder person like you carry such a burden. Please, you are old enough to be my mother. Let me help you go to the stream.
May the gods bless you, my child.
You see?
You have a kind heart. May the gods bless you.
You see? Me just go back. I'll be on my way.
Mama, this place is beautiful.
Mama, wash your hand and eat.
I will. Oh, wow. God, this place is so beautiful.
Mama, eat. Eat royalty.
Mm.
Enjoy royalty, Mama.
Away, my daughter, thank you. So delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
Hey, Mama. Do you know that Asadima is now working here as a maid?
Why? What? As what?
Mama, I don't know her plan. But she's getting closer to the prince. She wants to seduce him, just as her mother.
Hey, so she left Umuenoma and came here to Mama to take what rightfully belongs to you. Hey,
Mama.
Don't allow her, please.
Mama, don't you trust your daughter? Don't you trust your daughter again, eh? By the time I'm done frustrating her, by the time I am done dealing with her, nobody will tell her to carry her 2 legs and leave this palace.
I trust what you are capable of. Hey!
Mama, don't worry. By the time I become the crown princess of this kingdom, I will bring you over. Mama, you will not only visit, I will make sure you live here. Mama, you and I will rule this kingdom.
Oh, well. Won't you enjoy this with me?
Mama,
you know what? This place is so beautiful.
It is.
You're really enjoying here.
Mama, now.
Oh!
Mama, don't worry.
The gods are at work.
The crown is getting closer. And nobody will stop me. Not even that small girl called Asadima.
Please don't allow her. You say as I'm enjoying this meal. If she takes over, that's the end of it, huh?
Nobody will take over. Mama, enjoy. It's royalty.
And you're so dirty. Asadima, let her go.
Now here.
Well, I am trying to teach this witch a lesson.
What did she do to you?
What did you do to her? She's smelling. I don't like her. She's smelling.
And who gave you that right? It is my duty to take care of them and not yours.
No, you lie! As the crown princess of this kingdom, I have
to
the
me?
right to beat whosoever I wish to.
Are you talking to me
Yes!
like that? You're
Yes!
talking to me.
What will you do? You will do nothing.
You're talking to... Please! She's old enough to be your mother. Leave her alone.
You're still talking. By the time I'm done with you, I'm done with you.
My prince, can you imagine? It's Otonwa. She's busy punishing Asadima and Ubukwa. She's flogging them like slaves.
I have tolerated enough from that maiden. I cannot let this slide. Come.
People like you are not meant to be seen in this palace. By the time I'm done with you, you will not step your foot in this palace again. Yes! This palace is not meant for people like you!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it at once!
My prince, I'm glad you came, my prince. Look at this dirty old witch. I don't know what she's doing in this palace. I've tried telling her to leave here, but she doesn't want to listen to me.
How dare you? How dare you maltreat the queen mother of Umoma Kingdom? How dare you?
Queen mother. No, it can't be. My prince.
Listen to me. This woman you called nothing. This woman you called dirty. Is the mother of the crown prince you so desperately want to marry.
Hey, Your Highness, I can explain. It's not what you think, oh. I was only trying to maintain peace in this palace. That is why I came to you.
Shut your mouth. Shut up! Mother, are you okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My queen, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's not my fault. It's Amuche.
No, my queen.
It's her fault. She told me she saw Asadima seducing the prince. I was only acting on what I heard.
No, my queen. Please. I only told her what I saw. I never asked her to humiliate you.
Forgive me, my queen. I lied when I said I am Otonwa, our cousins. My queen, I'm sorry. It was Otonwa. She forced me to say that. She said that if I didn't do it, that she would have me sent away. Please, my queen, I'm sorry.
Lying to the crown is treason.
My queen, please.
My queen. I beg you.
Hear your face, please.
Please. Have mercy on Urima. She's been a victim too. She's more of a slave than a friend to Tonwa. She only lied because she was afraid. Please, my queen.
Because of your plea, I will be lenient.
Thank you.
But even fear does not excuse betrayal. She will not go unpunished.
My queen, I never knew you were the one. I wouldn't have laid my hands on you. I'm sorry, please. Tamper justice with mercy.
Utonwa, you do not know. Because you were blinded by your arrogance. You humiliated your fellow maidens. Raised your hands against elders. Lied to the queen. Disgraced the palace. Utonwa, I was beginning to consider you for my son. But thank the gods, he was right.
Mother, please, allow me to bring her to the palace. I want you to test both of them. Whichever one you find worthy, I will marry.
All right, then she will come in as a maid. Because we can't have two princesses in the palace.
No problem. But please, Mother, can you do one thing for me? I need you to disguise yourself. Otonwa only respects crowns and the people who wear them.
You really don't like her.
I need you to prove me wrong. Please.
Hey,
My queen.
last chance.
Please,
Please,
we're sorry.
just I will not do it again.
Enough! Enough! I am done with your wickedness. People like you are not fit to be in the palace. Now, both of you, leave. Leave the palace at once.
Please, please. My queen, please forgive us. We'll never disappoint you again.
Yes,
please.
forgive us.
You should have thought of that before raising your hand against a thing. Leave the palace now.
Queen, last chance, please. My queen, please.
I said leave this palace at once.
Fine, I will leave. I will go. What is it, Chef? Eat the palace. Eat it. And for you too. Both of you. This is not the end. Eh? I'm coming back. Oh, it's not the end. Nonsense. Rubbish.
My queen, please, we're sorry. I'll never disappoint you again, please.
And what are you still doing here? Leave! And you? You will remain here and be a personal maid to Asadema. Am I understood?
Yes, my queen.
Good.
Thank you, my queen.
you, my
I will do that with all my heart.
Asadema, I am sorry. I'm sorry if I hurt you. Please. I got tired of being seen for my crown, not for the man I am. All these maidens here, they like me because I'm the prince. I wanted something real. I wanted a woman who would see me for the man I am, not for my title. That was why I came to Umenuma, and I found you.
So, your name is not Arinze.
No,
Then what is your name?
I am Ezenwata, the crown prince of Umoma Kingdom.
I love you, regardless of who you are.
Thank you, Asadema. I have always known that you are the one. I bless the day I met you.
You look radiant, my daughter. You have the heart of a lion, yet the humility of a dove. Make a good queen. No, you will make a great queen. If I die now, I will die a happy woman. Because I know that Umoma is in safe hands.
No, my queen. You will not die now. I still have a lot to learn from you. I need you.
Of course.
Someone wants to steal my wife.
Are you jealous?
Of course I am. I can't help it. She is beautiful.
Yes, she is. How is the preparation for the coronation coming up?
Very well. Everything is moving on smoothly. On the next Eke Market Day, I shall be crowned King of Umoma Kingdom. And beside me will sit my beautiful wife.
Ezenwata, may the gods bless your reign with peace, wisdom, and unshakable love.
Ise. Come. Asam. Omalicha. Akugo. Odemnobi. The queen of Umoma Kingdom. And the queen of my heart. Come here, my little queen.